Hi, so in this video, I'm going to do oxidation numbers. So assigning oxidation numbers to elements within particular compounds. So let's look at this one. So we've got Fe2O3. So the general rule that you need to remember is that oxygen is always -2. In most cases, there are exceptions. Hydrogen is +1. So if you have any halogens or metals, they will have their charges as well. If an element is by itself with a charge, it will be the charge. If the element is in its elemental state, it would be 0. So this video is focusing on compounds. So we're going to be identifying what the oxidation number for Fe is in Fe2O3. So knowing that oxygen is -2 and we have 3 lots of those, that part of the molecule would give us a -6. Okay, if I split it, so that would be -6. So to cancel that out, because this molecule has no charge, this must be a +6. I've got 2 of these, so divided by 2 plus 3 for each one of those Fe's. Let's have a go at another example. Let's look at C2O42-. So I want to assign the carbon. So this one has an overall charge of -2, so it changes the way that I'd have to do this. Still following the rule that oxygen is -2, I get -8 for this half of the oxygen. Now overall I've got -2. So I've got -8 and I want to keep -2 for that charge. So I can think of it as though I've only got -6 to balance out. So if I've got -6, I've still got 2 negatives left over for that charge. So this C section must equal +6 and I've got 2 of them. So each one would be a +3. So I'm dividing that +6 by 2. So it would be a +3 for each carbon. So let's have another go. So we've got HPO42-. So this is getting a bit messy now. So each oxygen is -2. So I've got -8. I've got to keep that -2 overall. So I've really only got -6 that I can work with to balance out. Now I've got a positive here. So I've got +1. So my phosphorus only can be +5 to cancel out that -6. I've only got 1 of them, so that would just simply be a +5 because +1 + 5 -6 will cancel out, and I've still got -2 left over from that -8. So that is a simple introduction into the oxidation numbers and assigning them for compounds. Thank you.